How to create account on your Daraz app on your Android device. So first open Daraz app if you haven't already and make sure that your home screen looks like this. Here you'll see four options on the bottom of your screen. For you, messages, cart and account. Simply go ahead and tap on the card option. Here you'll see two options called login with Google or login with Facebook. Simply tap on your preferred option. For this video, I'll simply tap on login with Google and tap on agree. Then I'll choose any preferred email. Then after a few moments, you will be successfully logged in, and this is it. These are some simple few steps you can follow in order to create an account on your Daraz app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.